Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we'll be looking at the routing protocol. So in the previous videos we all looked how to configure the access control policy, different kinds of policies including the intrusion policy, identity policies and everything. So now we will be looking in this part, we are going to look into the routing protocols. Right, for now it supports the FTD supports the OSPF. So version 2 and version 3, this is for the IPv4 and this is for the IPv6. And it also supports the BGP, same IPv4 and IPv6, and also supports the RIP version 1 and 2. And it also supports the multicast routing. Right, so you will look into this one. Right, so now FTD will support the OSPF BGP RIP directly, but what about the EIGRP? So EIGRP will look into the how to configure the EIGRP with the help of Plex config. So we'll look into that one when we come to the Plex config. So for now, we are only focusing on OSPF, BGP, RIP. So these are the three protocols which we are going to focus now. So we are going to configure the OSPF with version 2. We are going to configure the BGP with IPv4, and we are going to configure the RIP in version 2 in IPv4. So these are the protocols we will look into this one. So once we have configured that one, then we will go ahead and we will do the redistribution, and we will also see how to do the redistribution, and we will have an end-to-end connectivity. So now I will come back to my topology now. So this is my topology for now. So we are going to configure the OSPF, which has the loopbacks over here. We are going to configure the BGP. We are going to have the loopbacks over here, and also the RIP version 2 and the loopbacks over here. So intention of this lab is to configure the OSPF first, next configure the BGP, next configure the EIGRP. After configuring these three protocols, we are going to do the redistribution between OSPF and BGP, OSPF and RIP. With that said, we are going to do the BGP redistribution with RIP, and yep, BGP and RIP should be good. And RIP with BGP, that's all. So we are going to do the redistribution so that we have end-to-end connectivity. So we are able to communicate from 1 to 3, we are able to communicate from 1 to 2. Yeah, it should be like end-to-end connectivity from here to here, here to here, and here to here, everywhere. So we are going to configure that one with the help of redistribution at the end. So that's what we are going to do in the video, in this video series. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.